Hey everyone, this is Natalie from Serpstat, and we are back again with another tutorial about Serpstat and the tools that they have. But before we go ahead and start with that, let me just give you an insight about this lead generation tool that we have developed over at Serpstat.com. So all you need to do is head on over to our website. This is our landing page, and here you would see that there is a short form where you only need to sign up, and you'd be able to get free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds for your website. And also, if you want to have a free guide showing you how Serp is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot, then all you have to do is leave your first name and email, and then click on this find out how button. Of course, you can also agree to be added to the Serp's mailing list. That would be amazing. But yeah, all in all, that's what you need to do to be able to have access to that guide and also get your free SEO audit from Serpstat. So let's go back and discuss our main topic for today, which is still all about Serpstat. If you are following this series, then you'd have an idea that we already have started on the core tools that Serpstat offers. So today it will be all about domain analysis. So we have finished the overview. You have seen what the domain analysis dashboard looks like. And for this particular video, we'll be talking some of the subcategories that they have over with regards to SEO research. So let's start with keywords. Let's see what this is all about. So as you can see here, you have organic keywords that are related to Serpstat.com. So these are a list, or this is a list of the organic keywords that Serpstat.com has. You also have your keyword difficulty. So if ever you're not familiar with the different metrics that we have or that they have here in the tool, then you can just hover on these tabs and you'd be able to get an explanation of what each metric means. So you notice you'll be able to get keyword difficulty, position, volume, traffic, CPC, let me just call that, PPC competition, results, what else, and as well as URL. So this list is up to 20, so you can check, or you can modify that according to your liking, and then you can also switch pages depending on what you want. You can also select a different country, different location, depending on the target audience that you have. And then there are a few things here like copy to clipboard, filter. You can also filter and export. So those are the things that you can do with this specific feature. So having said that, let's move on over to competitors. Here, what you'll be able to see is a list of the competitors that are considered in rivalry with Serpstat. So you can see SEO Mater, Rashax, W3 SEO Tools, all of those websites or domains. You also get common keywords, missing keywords, relevance, all keywords, visibility, and yep, that's it. So if you can remember, during the overview, we were able to get a glimpse of the competitors and as well as these metrics. So this is more of an in-depth look on the competitors and the different metrics, and as well as if you click on one of those numbers, you'll be able to get a deeper insight into what that specific metric or that what specific result it means. So that's it for the first part of the SEO research under domain analysis. I'll be back with another video discussing all about the domain versus domain feature here in Serpstat. So hopefully you'll tune into that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe with us. Thank you.